So we're gonna see a simple method how to join two granny squares together, different than the join as you go, and a bit easier and quicker. So whenever I don't want to make the join as you go method, I do the tapestry. I do the joining with a tapestry needle, and it's much easier. So what I'll do, both of the granny squares facing me, I will fold them, and we make sure here the last stitch, the corner double crochet here is facing this granny square, the double crochet here. And then I will start with a chain before, so with the inner loops only, inner loops of the V, I will join the tapestry needle, and then I'll hold the threads or the yarn this way, and I will join in the same chain again, and then I'll pass the tapestry needle inside the loop like this. This way the thread is secure and I can continue working. So now what I'll do, again in the inner V's only, I will just join both the same way till I finish my entire work. It's very easy, it's quick, and it's neat as well when you do it with the same color. So this is a very easy and quick way to join the granny squares or any patchwork work you have to join. And we continue till the same point where we started after the double crochet, the 2 stitches of the chain 2. And this how it will look, very neat and flat as well, the way we want it. And you continue the same with 2 other squares until you finish your whole project. So this is a very easy and quick way to join the granny square. I hope you like it and find it useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.